we did with some suspension parts. And just a little bit better. Changed the front sway arm already. We just need to put the bushings in. Definitely changing these right here. You can see these. No bueno. That's not going on there. It's something sturdy like that. So it doesn't move. So we got new energy bushings there. And then these also. These were torn up here. They disintegrated when I took them off. So we put these, add a couple kits there, black and red. Just mix and match because that's what I have. And give it a little clean. So it looks good. And this is for the front. There they are. Nice washers and the energy suspension. The other thing it needs is the rack and pinion. There's nothing there. That one tore in half. That one is super old. So we're going to change those as well. You can see that. I believe we have those right here. Brand new in a bag. A little bit of some grease. It comes with. And that'll take care of the front. But that's what we need right there. You don't want that rack and pinion moving everywhere, because it will shift. What else? Other than that, that's all I see right here. And we move on to the back. Yeah, we're gonna do the back next. So you can see right there, it doesn't have anything. There's no rubber around that. It's torn. I'm sure that one's going out next. So that's how we mosey on to the next step of this. Like that, when the engine's put in here, transmission, you know, you have access right now to change all this. So if you're ever gonna do a swap or something, you know, these hoses, you can change the hoses as well. You know, all this stuff right here, being that it's easy access, which will probably change the fuel. We are going to change the fuel lines, new filter, fuel filter. You can see how old this little hose is. Not even going to fly. And then that's about it. Make sure all these power steering clamps are nice and tight. And move forward. Slowly but surely. Something like this. I was 100%. My son was helping me as he is. Probably be done in a couple of weeks, you know, but not being 100% and my son's availability to help me, well, it turns into a big project. Might change those as well. I believe I have some of those, either black or red in the kit. Something to give us a, not that there's anything wrong with those, but I'll check them, see how they are. See if they're dry rotting by any chance, and go from there. And the reason why I have several bushings and transmissions and motors, because I own several B13 chassis, and you know they will also fit in your B14 or whatever you want to put it on. But yeah, we'll be putting these on. I always buy everything in 2s or 3s, so time to get them on there. And like that, new bushings installed, rack and pinion bushings. Those are good. Shifter rods are good. So we move on. Always, always, always multiples. Some sellers even give you a better deal if you buy 3 or more or 2 or more, and that's the reason why I buy them. 8 years with this chassis, B13. Started with the B15, but got kind of stuck on this B13. But I still own B15 as well, but not the same one. But anywho, this right here is done. But as far as I'm gonna go here, now we go to the rear, which we are changing. We are changing the sway bar in the rear as well, because of course this is a GA. GA has a real thin sway bar in the rear. We're going to an SCR, which the same thing happened here. We used a SCR front sway bar. So now we go off to the rear and put some new bushings as well. Get this thing going.